Hello guys, today I have the Nokia 3.1 Plus. This is an Android One smartphone, which means that you get the latest flavor of Android once it becomes available. So even though the Nokia 3.1 Plus comes with Android 8.1 out of the box, once you connect to Wi-Fi, you will notice that Android 9 is already available for this smartphone. And of course, once new updates become available, you also have it available for this smartphone. So that's one of the perks of having an Android One smartphone. When I come back, we'll be looking at the key features of this smartphone, and of course we'll be unboxing it. This is actually an unboxing video of the Nokia 3.1 Plus, so stay tuned. When I come back, I'll show you what's inside this box with some of the key features. Thank you. Welcome back to my unboxing video of the Nokia 3.1 Plus. My name is Pascal Okafo for MediaTekGuide.com. Here I have the Nokia 3.1 Plus box. You can see it's a white box. You can also see the Android One written on it. Also, the Nokia 3.1 Plus is written on the other side. If I flip it, you're going to see some of the key features. It has a 6-inch HD Plus display with 18:9 aspect ratio, which is now very popular these days. It also has an Octa-core processor. The Octa-core processor is a MediaTek Helio P22 processor clocked at up to 2 GHz. So now I'm going to open up the box. You can see the phone there wrapped up. Okay, I get it out, and you can also see the phone inside there. You can see the dual camera on the back there. So that is how the phone looks. It actually looks gorgeous if you ask me. Now I'm going to unwrap it, and you're going to see inside the box there, you see the phone. The 6-inch display in all its glory. It's a pretty good design, as you can see there. It comes with a metal body. Actually, this is the blue model. It's a solid looking smartphone right there. You can also see the screen. The bezels are very minimal right there, and also look at the back there. You can see the dual camera, a 13 megapixel camera and a 5 megapixel camera there on the back. You can also see the LED flash there, and of course the rear facing fingerprint sensor. On the back right there, you can see that it comes with a micro USB port. It has the microphone on one side, that is on the right there, or rather on the left, and then you have the loudspeaker on the right. So there you can see the two slots there. One is for the nano SIM, and the second one is for the nano SIM and the memory card inside. We're going to look into it pretty much later. Then if you turn on the other side, you are going to see the volume rocker and the power button. There you have it. And of course you have the 3.5mm audio jack on top. If you also look clearly, you will see the microphone there, which might be for noise cancellation. So that is it. You can see it's a very nice looking phone, metal design. This is a blue model. And now we're going to set the phone aside so that we can see the rest of the stuff inside the box. You can also see the SIM ejector pin right there, but I think I'm going to deal with this later. Then you also see the micro USB cable. That is another thing you will find inside the box. And then there you also find the charger there, and that is the earbud. It comes with a black earbud there, and of course you see the user manual there. So that's about what is inside the box, and you can see all the stuff there. That is the charger right there. The charger supports up to 2 amps at 5 volts, so it's pretty fast. You can fully charge the phone for about 2 hours. It's not the fastest there, so I'm going to get out the SIM ejector pin so that you can also see the SIM slots inside. So now that is the SIM ejector pin. So I'm going to pick up the phone, and you can see that the first slot there houses just the nano SIM. So I'm going to get it out right now. So you see that there, that's just for the nano SIM there. So you put your one of the nano SIM there. Then the second slot, I'm going to get that out with the pin now. You can see it houses a nano SIM on the inside and the memory card on the outside. So that is the SIM slot for you inside your Nokia 3.1 Plus. On it on right now. As it's turning on, I'm going to show you some of the key features right there. Of course, I've already turned this on before, so if you're turning it on the first time, this is not actually the screen you'll be seeing. It's also a good idea for you to charge up the phone for about maybe 2 hours before you start using it. So that is a Nokia chime there. So now that the phone is on, I will be checking out the UI, so you can see that how it looks. So you just swipe up to show the home screen there. So you can see that. It has a very clean thing because it actually comes with stock Android, so you don't have any customization on it, because everything is the way it's meant to be by Google. And that is it right there. So you swipe down, you can see some of the shortcuts right there. You can see I'm going to brighten up the screen right now, so you can see how bright the screen can possibly be. It's on automatic brightness here, so it will change the brightness of the screen depending on the ambient lighting. Let me turn off the Bluetooth right there, because the Bluetooth seems to be on there, so I'm turning it off right there. So that is what the UI looks like with Android 8 out of the box. So now I'm going to show you, I'll confirm that this is Android 8.1. So that is it there. You see that is Android 8.1. So that's the confirmation that the smartphone indeed runs on Android 8.1. And I'm going to turn it right back. So that is the screen. So I'll now be sharing some of the other specs of the Nokia 3.1 Plus. Apart from the 6-inch display that it has, you also get an Octa-core processor, that is a Helio P22 CPU, and you also get 2 GB RAM. This model actually has 2 GB RAM and 16 GB, but there is also another option for 32 GB and 3 GB RAM as well. In the front, you have an 8 megapixel front facing camera for selfies, and also you have an LTE support and a 3500 milliampere hour battery. So that is it. Now I told you that immediately you connect to Wi-Fi, you're going to see that there is update. Okay, so right there you will see that there is an update, Android 9 Pie, waiting for my Nokia 3.1 Plus. It has about 1.2 GB. That is the update size. So of course you need to have that amount of data before you can go ahead in this process. With this Android 3.1 Plus, there's also some security patch you're going to see there. There's a February security patch. But of course, since I installed this, I've also noticed that there is also a March security patch from Google. So if you are installing it right now, you are going to see maybe a March or even an April, depending on the month, security patch. That's the advantage of having Android One. You have a secure phone. So after installing it. This is what the UI will now look like. You will see some changes, that the Google thing have now gone to the Google address search bar has gone below. That is what I saw. I didn't do it myself. That seems to be default. So I'm going to search MediaTek guide on Google right now, since I already have Wi-Fi. So that is it, guide, and there you have it, the search done. There you can see MediaTek guide website. You can visit us for your latest tech, and updates. That's what we're all about. So now I'm going to, so you can see, another thing you notice is that the on-screen navigation buttons are now solid, rather than having outlines, when it was in Android 8.1, but now you see it's solid there. So that's about it. So you can see, to open up so I'm going to now confirm that Android 9 is on the smartphone. You will notice that the thing is a bit changed. The settings is now a bit changed, Android 9. So you have to click advanced before you now see about phone, and then there you have to scroll up again before you will see the Android 9 there, and even it opens up another. So there's a lot of, so you can see there, that is P. Android 9 Pie is now there. So even though I bought it with Android 8.1, now I have Android 9 on it. So that is one of the good things about having this phone. It is from a recognizable brand. So I'll go back to my website so you can see how browsing feels. So that is this unboxing video, or the unboxing article there. You'll see all the photos there on our website. I'm just using it to show you how browsing on the Nokia 3.1 Plus looks like. So that's it. You can see a lot of the photos there. Everything looks brilliant. The lighting looks okay, so you can see everything clearly. And like I say, the screen is all automatic there, so everything looks quite brilliant. That is it. Yeah, so you can see. So that is what I have for you in this video. You can see that this is a solid phone. If you're looking for a phone from a well-recognized brand. Another interesting feature of the Nokia 3.1 Plus is the always on display. So once you pick up the phone, you will notice that you will see that it will come on for about 5 seconds before going off right again. So that is one of the perks of the Android 9. So that's a wrap on our Nokia 3.1 Plus unboxing video. A review will be coming later, so don't hesitate to subscribe to this channel for latest videos, and of course hit the dumbbell button so that you can get notification, because we are all about tech. So you'll get all the latest updates when they become available, because we also have other unboxing videos that are coming in the next couple of days and weeks. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye.